Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install latest version of the Wireshark on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Wireshark official website, it is wireshark.org. See here, it is the world's leading network protocol analyzer. Click on download. Now click on Ubuntu. Now you have to add this PPA to Ubuntu machine. So copy it, then open terminal, paste it, hit enter. What is the password of the sudo user? Hit enter for confirmation. We have successfully installed. Now update the packages, sudo apt update control A. Now install Wireshark, sudo apt install Wireshark. Type of confirmation and hit enter. See, we are installing Wireshark version number 4.6.4. Select yes by using left and right arrows, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. Here we have the Wireshark. Click on to open. See, you got the Wireshark. Now verify the version. Help about Wireshark. See, we have installed 4.6.4. Okay, if you want to capture the packets, you have to provide the target and you have to click on start. You have to select the target. Click on this start capturing packets, and see here we have different options. You can go through the documentation and you can practice. Okay, see, you can go through this documentation and you can practice. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Wireshark stable release 4.6.4 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.